Some of you snore, but you don't believe that you snore. I'm guilty. Apparently, I snore, and I did not know I snore because oh God, my husband tells me that I snore. I didn't believe him. My daughter, mommy, you snore. Mom, I never believed them. But guess what? They proved me wrong. So they actually took a video of me while I was sleeping, and boy, did I hear the noise. So yes, I snore. So all of you that are saying that you don't snore, and the people in your house are telling you that you snore. Maybe you snore, you just don't know it yet.